Hi guys, dito ko ngayon para maglagay ng outlet sa TV nila. Hindi niyo tatanong guys, trabaho ko kasi sila isang electrician. Ako nang lahat ng mga electrical wiring nito guys, ako nang gumagawa. Kaya ngayon, maglalagay ako ng outlet sa TV nila. Lalagay ko ng dalawang outlet para di na nila kailangan ng extension wire. Okay, gagawin ko na to guys.
Nanggun sumang ka, bro?
Ha?
Nanggun sumang ka?
Put bago outlet do ha. English na Bisaya.
2 outlets.
Outlet for TV.
Oh.
Saan mo ba?
Can you pick that up? Can you pick that up? What'd you drop? Oh no, no. Look, that's so nice. What is that? Potato skin? Or pear? It was Braden. Thank you, Carl. Thank you, Pod.
Ciao.
Go?
Kuya Mike! Ay, pinag-imu po ba yung mami? Kuya Mike! Mike! Drop just a second, please.
Where's your car, Carmelo? What happened to your car? Did it break?
Hey,
It's not broken? The other one, Ba. Your red one. Was it broken? Did it break?
just a second.
Carmelo? Kubat na? Imo second hand?
No, look at your room.
Saya, tanaw mo sa puruan. Sapo na natin buka.
Me and Lulu were singing a duet. Sorry, guys. What's up, mommy? Hula hammer, good. Here, princess. Can you hold this, please? Yes, Lloyd.
I know. Go.
No.
Yeah, I know. Uy. Nanay ko.
I love.
Nanay ko. Nanay ko.
What are you videoing for?
Daddy said.
You don't do that.
Yes. I'm just showing my karate skills to her.
Daddy!
Awesome! What happened to my face? No, don't steal my dream.
Here, go.
Don't steal my
Come Daddy!
Mommy, Lola needs help.
What? Ikaw pa bang itong nalito?
Don't break the wire, go.
Push lang.
You.
What? I just helped Lulu. Good. Wait, some minute.
Yes.
Saranay! Hindi ko kaya tawag tumili. Box. Bili niya ako, di magi.
Taas, bro.
Ha?
Taas.
Why?
And then coming down on that, so it doesn't look.
No.
Huh? I have.
Ha?
I have the thingies.
Dire? Taas?
Why taas, Daddy?
So you couldn't see it that well.
Pero naman na kon? Put man na bapol.
Okay, Ra.
Speaker ba?
I was just thinking because then it would get in the way here, but it'd be if you're pushing a wire through here, it'd get in the way really. But okay.
Ha?
Di siya nakutang sa taas.
No, it's too short. The wire is too short.
Short ra?
Pwede mo dubalhin na to na.
Anak na lang, Mi. Pwede ra?
Magkaibang mundo.
Okay, ra.
Like if we're done
You're right,
reading
Daddy.
yan, it's video okay there.
Sino ka na, di ba? Anak eh?
I was thinking like that, but you know, let's think about it.
Yeah, you're right.
Ano na yung pangod? Sa kanin ba? Pero makaram sa muslim.
Dance. Come on. Wait, love, this dance.
Fold these clothes. We're not dancing, we're cleaning.
We're dancing.
Fold the clothes or rip your nose off.
Yeah, just
I'm gonna rip your nose off, bro.
Yes, Daddy. Look at that.
What's with your focus, bro? I have to like click it to make it focus. What's going on?
It's not automatic.
It's not doing a very good job. I have the holders. Do you have any?
Holder for
The U shape?
staple.
You have not a staple?
Nah.
Okay. Holders. Kathleen, stop. You're gonna break. That's a subwoofer. You don't do that. The subwoofers. Ah. Hello.
Yeah. Hi, Tess. Wala ka headphone. Bali na madunggan.
Hurricane tornado. Tornado. Signal one, no me? Signal one. Signal one.
Ano sa man mo mga ano, te? Don't think so. Yeah.
Magic Cine Gang Magic Cine. No, it's there. We already showed it. Everyone's seen it, bro. Magic Cine Gang, brought to you by Maggie and Mimi. Mimi, Maggie, Sora. Is this our vlog? Yo, what's up, mga kababayan, mga agaw? Ayaw kalimot pislita ang subscribe button. Pshing.
And also Tita and their channel ba?
They're gonna steal some. Oh. Well, in case you didn't know, some cool people are coming soon. But as for now, we decided to have a makeover. Actually, no, it started raining earlier, guys. Right by me. Was it raining earlier? And then the wind was blowing super hard. Like the St. Jude bus was almost falling over. The wind came through and went whoosh. Oh, and just messed up our whole house.
And what's the connection?
Signal number one. Signal number one day. Have you ever heard of that? You leave your windows open, signal number one comes by, bang, and it just messes up your entire house.
So everyone know.
Look at this. I'm glad Mimit thinks it's funny. Sumbog! Akong asawa sumbong ko! Away ko!
Tang-tang akong hikop.
Tang-tang ako hikop! What's that? Antoine? Tang-tang means stuck. Tang-tang, right? What did I just say? My poop is stuck? Huh? Did you just have me say my poop is stuck? What did you just say? Tang-tang means like sort of... It means like it's stuck or something, right? Or you put it in.
No, it fell down.
It fell down. Oh, it fell down. It's stuck.
Stop! Nahuot!
Huh?
Fell down.
For me?
You're stuck, like, you can't move. You're stuck in that.
Oh.
Say that.
What? What are you gonna say?
I was
You
gonna say...
were about to say something.
I was gonna say that I love you.
Mhm.
You are very sweet, loving. Someone.
When I go
So,
up, I will
they're
shout
gonna-
at my kids.
What? What? What did you say? What did you say?
When I grow up, I will shout at my kids.
When
At
you
your
gr-
kids?
when you grow up, you're
Why?
gonna shout at your kids.
Why are you even thinking? Why are you even thinking about that? Why are you even thinking about that? Why are you thinking about that? My kids. Did you hear what you said? I will shout at my kids.
When I grow up.
Ayan. Joke. No, you're not allowed to have kids till you're 14
I
years
missed
old.
that, Kathleen. I missed that. I missed that. Did you just say my kids?
He said, when I grow up, I will shout at my kids.
My kids. What? When you having kids? Why are you having kids? Allowed to, no other boys allowed to hold your hand, but daddy. Only daddy's allowed to kiss your hand. Huh? Only daddy. No other boys, huh?
Yeah.
Don't you ever have a boyfriend. You hear me? If you have a boyfriend, I don't know what I'm gonna do.
I'm gonna keep.
I'm no.
Ah.
You're what? You're gonna kick my butt?
No, there.
I'm gonna kick their butt.
You're not allowed to a baby till you're
Don't
50
you
years old.
have a boyfriend,
Ay.
huh? I'm the only boy that can kiss your hand and hold your hand, okay? You understand? Okay.
Huh?
And Erica,
You done washing? Erica is doing his
Laundry.
laundry.
Don't.
try that again, is doing her laundry.
Yeah, Erica's doing her laundry.
Erica's doing her laundry. Try not.
How
so
about
bright outside.
while you're waiting in your room, so you're more productive.
Mimi's plugging it in. Hopefully he's turned it off. Hopefully he turned all the electricity off.
Okay na, bro.
Yes.
Wow. We were just out like a light. Out like a light. On New Year's, we didn't do anything. New Year's Day, shoot, we were sleeping all day, diba? And Erica was like,
Oh yeah.
what?
We were watching all day.
We were watching what? All day? Yeah, we watched your cartoons and stuff.
Guys, we're almost done cleaning. Right, Kathleen? We're almost done. So the stuff, the dirty stuff.
Just want a dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less. Just take the night, then you leave when it's like nothing wrong. It's alright with you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel.
Away ka, ate.
Show me a good
Away ka,
time.
ate.
I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal. As long as you can show me a good time, I don't care. Oh, oh, oh,
Wait here.
Baby pop. Mommy pop.
Huh?
Wait, don't shoot. He knows you're here.
Erica's cleaning her bedroom. just rearranging and all that stuff she needed to do. And Brayden is not feeling good.
Me and Kathleen play mobile. Mimi! What are you looking at? Yo, I startled him. But anyway, guys, check out what Meme did. So thank you, Kaayo, so Meme and Yashel. Here's what Meme did. I'm hiding the wires because it's my idea to have it up, and Jodolin doesn't really like it because then the wires kind of like show down. But anyway, I'm gonna show you what Meme did. So the finished product. Yeah, here it is. Woohoo! There's the finished product. Mana! And then he brought the wire all the way through behind here, through a hole, and he, if you see that right there, that's it. He took that off and wired it up. So, selamat kayo, mate. Woo! Yeah, so Jodolin doesn't like the wires here, you know, so it's fine now because we got cute little people here looking at us. But yeah, we're very happy. And thank you so much, May. So yeah, thank you. And ayaw kalimot subscribe. Just click the subscribe button. Meme's channel, which is actually called. He's actually a really good vlogger, man. Diba? Really good. So
Very natural.
natural kayo. And I was so surprised. He put the camera up here, and he filmed Brayden and everyone from like about like this angle down there. We got to see it because we were out all day. And when we came back and saw his video, it was really cute. So, salamat me. Thank you for hooking it up, bro. So fun. Cheers. Hyper. Fuck.